join me. Come on. I'll love to see you at the next show.
DJ Tommy 3000 here with you. Today we're going to do something different. We're going to talk to Lance, who is on TikTok as the journey continues. This is him.
Hi.
And we're going to talk about his travels all over Western Canada, rocking out with all the big concerts. What is your theme of your TikTok channel?
The theme of my TikTok channel is the concerts I go to. It's videos of the people I go see.
How have you been this summer, the summer of 2025?
So this summer for us started out in Taber, Alberta. There's a festival there called Cornstalk. It's a 3-day festival, and there we've seen Streetheart, Took, Tom Cochrane, Glass Tiger, Taze was there. And this guy runs 2 stages, so during setup of the big bands, there were a lot of local bands playing on the B stage. So that festival was done very well. And then after that, we went to Rock the River in Saskatoon, which is also a 3-day festival at the Bez in Saskatoon in the Bez Gardens.
Yeah.
And man, that guy brings in some good bands. Like singer from Asia was there. The singer from Journey was there.
You brought Cruisin' in at the last minute?
Yeah, and then of course with the Air Canada strike, the promoters had to struggle, had to juggle a little bit, and they did a great job. They brought Prism in at the last minute. Harlequin came in at the last minute. A local band called Rock Candy opened up one day. So the promoters did a good job recovering from that.
So what other festivals in Saskatchewan this year?
Shake the Lake right here in Regina, of course. And that's a 2-day festival. And that was like Trooper, the Headstones, the Stampeders, the Kings, good friends of mine, the Kings. Gotta love those guys. And then actually, just last week, we're at Homestand in Moose Jaw.
Right.
And I was very excited to see Fred Penner. It was really weird. It opened up with a rock band, then it went to Fred Penner, then it went to Streetheart and Took. It was a great time.
What's your favorite video of one band that you've got online right now?
My favorite video of one band, Crash Test Dummy. Brad Roberts still sounds awesome.
Yeah, cool.
They did Rock the Range in Winnipeg for 3 years, so we did that, and that was interesting. I've not went to any concerts in BC though. I've seen a few in Seattle, like Billy Joel. That was awesome.
That would be a big one.
Yeah, totally. That kind of tight shot on the lead singer or the guitarist. So I have posted some guitar solos and drum solos and stuff also.
Have you ever got any negative feedback from a band or from the promoters or anything?
No. I think all of them view it as free promotion, right?
Yeah, for sure. You have like a real viral video that really hit hard, that went big.
Like a viral, I have one that's not music. Which is, it's nearly 7 million views, and I did a time lapse of pumpkin pies disappearing at Costco before Thanksgiving.
That's sweet. That's a great idea.
Yeah.
7 million. Wow. And then, how did you find TikTok? Yeah.
So YouTube kind of started with me for a place to put my family vacation videos, kind of thing, right? And it kind of has morphed into a YouTube channel called The Journey Continues, and we post some travel videos on there. But a lot of my shorts are music videos, and I will post like longer concert videos on YouTube also, for sure. And discovering TikTok, well, I guess when you're like this all the time, you couldn't help it at one point, right?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. Oh, that's such a tough one. Number one favorite band. Man, I call it the concert that no one was at. Velvet Revolver in the Agrodome was spectacular, and the place was empty. Yeah, so I'll go Velvet Revolver.
And did you grow up in Saskatchewan going to shows?
Yeah, I grew up right here in Regina. My first show was Styx Paradise Theater, which I didn't know what I was getting dragged into at the time, and it just became a love of mine. Like, one of my favorite shows of all time. Colin James opened up for Stevie Ray Vaughan in the Center of the Arts. I mean, once again, I got dragged to that show. I didn't know what I was, but man, spectacular.
Who is your dream band that you'd love to see one day? Your bucket list band?
Current living band. Paul Simon. Yeah, Paul Simon would rank right up there. There's probably a few if I think about it. Because as you can imagine, going to a lot of concerts over these years, I've seen a lot of my bucket list people for sure, right?
For sure.
Restless tonight, 'cause I wasted the light between both these times. I drew a really thin line.
I am very lucky to have some relationships with some of the artists, the Canadian artists for sure. My wife has done hair and makeup for Telemiracle for the last 17 years.
Yeah.
So we've got to meet a lot of these guys that way. And the relationships have continued down the road for sure. Well, number one, everyone should go check out live music because it really fills the soul for sure. I'm Lance from The Journey Continues, and you're rocking out with DJ Tommy 3000.